Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to fix USB debugging option of developer options is grayed out in Samsung smartphones. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the settings. Just scroll down below. Now just click on this about phone. Just scroll down below again. Now just click on this software information. Now keep tapping this build number until you see the developer mode is turned on. So in my case, it's already being enabled. After that, just move back. Just scroll down below. You'll see here developer option. Just click on it. Now you can see here the USB debugging option is being grayed out. So we can enable it right now. So in order to fix this issue, what you need to do is just move back. Now just scroll upwards. Now you'll see here one option written security and privacy. Just click on it. Now you can see here one option written auto blocker. So you can see here the auto blocker option is turned on. So you need to turn this auto blocker off. And after that, just move back and just scroll down below again and just click on this developer options. Now you can see here the USB debugging option is no more grayed out, so you can just turn it on. So now you can see we can finally enable the USB debugging. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily fix USB debugging option of developer options is grayed out in Samsung smartphones very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.